Hi guys, welcome back to KayaPlus TV. At KayaPlus, we are all about getting our fans and readers to buy and invest into good companies and businesses. But when you come across a company's business that you're not familiar with, chances are you might be scared, intimidated, or feel that it is a bit challenging to understand the business model of the company. Well, fret not. This is what the new series is about today. We will try to explain some of the listed companies' business model within this new mini-series, and hopefully that would get you kick-started before you invest or study further into this company. Word of caution, the companies that we will be talking about are for educational purposes only. It does not constitute to any buy or sell call. So do your due diligence before you actually invest in these companies. Are you ready? So let's head on to our first company of this mini-series, Nestle Malaysia Berhad. Nestle Malaysia Berhad is a multinational food manufacturing and marketing company. It champions nutritious, health and wellness products. Listed on the Malaysia Stock Exchange in the year 1989 at just 5 ringgit and 20 cents a share, it has delivered major windfall returns to its shareholders. As of today, share price is roughly 140 ringgit a share, and trading dividends per share is at 2 ringgit and 80 cents. Nestle Malaysia Berhad is the biggest halal producer within the Nestle world, employing around 4,600 employees. It currently has 500 kinds of products inside this portfolio. All of it are halal certified. Nestle Malaysia Berhad boasts a complete food and beverage portfolio. It owns well-known brands in wide arrays of categories in dairy, beverages, food, maternal and child healthcare nutrition, and also confectionery. Its most well-known brands include brands like Milo, Nestum, Nespresso, Nescafe, and Maggi. Being in the food and beverage business means that Nestle Berhad is operating in a recession-proof industry. No matter good times or bad times, we will still need to eat to ensure our survival. Coupled with its strong track record in producing quality products, Nestle Berhad has indeed delivered solid and consistent returns to shareholders who have been invested in this company for a long time. Nestle Malaysia Berhad is also seen as a generous dividend-paying company, considering the fact that the majority of the shareholder is Nestle SA, the mother company listed in the Swiss Stock Exchange. Due to the very fact, Nestle Malaysia will always pay out close to 100% of its earnings as dividends, and this money or dividends will get repatriated back to the HQ in Switzerland. Having 30 years of the status as a listed company in Malaysia is no easy feat. But if you were to stretch back the timeline a bit, Nestle Malaysia has been operating in Malaysia for more than 100 years, delivering solid products and consistent and ever still increasing returns to its existing shareholders. Though it might not be a great investment at its current price today, nonetheless, it is still an amazing and interesting business or company to observe as someone who is very keen in investing. So I hope you really enjoy our first company in this mini-series, Nestle Malaysia Berhad. It is one of the most easiest company to identify and study to kickstart your investing journey. So if you like the video, please like it, share it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please also turn on the notification bell button to get notified when our next company in the mini-series gets posted and uploaded. So I'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.